Hello, Stage 1. Today in English, from our English Learners book, we're going to talk about joining in stories. A joining in story is just a story where you are able to say something or repeat something or clap and have fun with a certain part of the story. We'll look at that in a minute. Firstly, let's look at these birds. This one says, I am a chicken. I am a duck. I am a turkey. I am a cockerel. Chicken, these are our words to know today. Chicken, can you practice spelling chicken? Duck, turkey, and cockerel. We can find these birds on farms. What can we get from each bird? Can we get eggs? Can we get meat to eat? Can we get their feathers? Or can we hear a funny noise from them? Can you make a noise for each bird? Do you think you know how to? Let me see. I'm going to try. Quack, 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 quack. Gobble, 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 gobble. Okay. I think you can make much better bird noises than I can, but those are mine. All right, let's look at the next one. You're going to read a story about a chicken and his friends. These are some of the characters. Here we have Chicken Licken, which is funny because it's like that KFC brand with the chicken licken. I don't know if you like to eat chicken licken. Then we have Hen Len, Cock Lock, Duck Luck, and Turkey Lurkey. What do you notice about the names of these guys? Think back to our previous section and we learned about rhyming words. So chicken and licken, rhyming. So these names are rhyming names. Chicken Licken has something important to tell the king. He sets off and his friends join him one by one. Okay, here's our story. The story of Chicken Licken. This little guy tells us, join in with the words in green. These are our joining words. So here we can see. So we're going to say it in a fun way. One day Chicken Licken was resting under a tree when plop, the sun fell on him. He was shocked. I will go to tell the king. On the way he met Hen Len. The sun fell on me. I am going to tell the king. Come with me. Let's turn the page. On the way, he met Cock Lock. The sun fell on me. I am going to tell the king, come with us. On the way, he met Duck Luck. The sun fell on me. I am going to tell the king, come with us. On the way, he met Turkey Lurkey. Gobble, gobble. The sun fell on me. I am going to tell the king, come with us. On the way, he met Fox Locks, and he gobbled him up. I can take you to the king. It's this way. Okay, that's the end of that story. So I want you guys to practice seeing if you can read that. And when you read it, you read with some expression, especially when we see these speech bubbles. So if we know that he's shocked, I will go to tell the king. We must read it with some expression. The sun fell on me. I am going to tell the king, come with me. We can read it with a bit more rhythm in our voices. Okay. And then when this guy says, I can take you to the king, it's this way. Because we know he's going to gobble them all up. Okay, so first you're going to need to read the story and practice reading the story. And after that, there are some exercises that you can do and you can write them in your book. So you just need to read and see what it is and you can write in your exercise book if you have the time to do an extension activity. Read each question, say each answer, then write it. Did the sun fall on Chicken Licken? What fell on his head? There's a picture A. Look at picture A. Who is this? Look at picture B. And how did Fox Locks trick Chicken Licken and his friends? Next up, you can also do as an extension activity, pick words from each box to write 3 sentences in your notebook. So how you're going to do this is you're going to choose here. Here's the person. You're going to choose who, and then the verb, and who or where. So Hen Len was resting with Chicken Licken. You just choose, and you don't have to write any more words other than that. And you can do that in your book as an extension activity. Next up, you can use the pictures to say who went with Chicken Licken. Use the word and add more characters. So we have Chicken Licken and Hen Len are going to tell the king. Chicken Licken and Hen Len and Cock Lock are going to tell the king. Chicken Licken and Hen Len and Cock Lock and Duck Luck are going to tell the king. And then we have Chicken Licken and Hen Len and Cock Lock and Duck Luck and Turkey Lurkey are going to tell the king. Then Fox Locks gobbled up Chicken Licken and Hen Len and Cock Lock and Duck Luck and Turkey Lurkey. If you are able to look at the pictures, then you should be able to say the names and read this part. Okay. Here is another fun activity that you guys can do if you would like to. If you do any of these activities, you can upload them to Class Dojo. You can make puppets for the characters or masks like the ones in the pictures to act out your story. Alright, and the next part is, here you need to be able to retell the story of Chicken Licken. This is something that you can say and you can tell your mom and dad and your brothers and sisters or whoever's in your house. You can tell them the story of Chicken Licken just by looking at the pictures. And you can use your own words. Alright, the last thing that you can do, if you have time to write in your extension activity, you can write 1 or 2 sentences for each picture, and you can use the sentences on page 59 if you need help. So here are some of the sentences that can help you write. Okay, quite quick and easy for that, and it's important for you to practice reading the story